A 40% clinical trial for 90 days among healthy male and female subjects to scientifically study anti-aging properties of Diabilis herbal water cosmeceuticals for skin care was carried out. The participants consumed 15 ml of herbal water mixed with 500 ml of water and consumed throughout the day. The baseline assessment and subsequent assessments involved dermatological and subject self-assessments and the use of state-of-the-art instrument assessments along with advanced imaging to see the impact of these interventions. Evaluation of signs of aging included facial fine lines, wrinkles, skin texture, firmness, elasticity, crow's feet area wrinkles, skin evenness, and tone. This was augmented with high quality image capture. In this chart, we see 6 measures of skin elasticity and showed high level of improvements. Skin elasticity is related to collagen and elastin fibers, and improvements could be indicative of restoration of elasticity functionality in these fibers. In this next chart, we see skin hydration improved by 30 to 34% in the forehead and cheek areas as summarized. Improved skin hydration results in increase in skin glow, which was also noticed in dermatological and subject self-assessment. Measurements in wrinkles, textures, and spots with near 100% effectiveness of various parameters were seen as summarized in this slide. Now let us review photographic analysis. Here's a 47-year-old female subject, and using a polarized light, we are able to visually see the wrinkles and confirm during the clinical trial 25% reduction in wrinkles by the instrument by day 90. Also, the same subject's skin texture improved by 70% during the clinical trial. The next photograph shows the face area of a 38-year-old male subject. When you compare his face on day 90, we can clearly see improvement in skin complexion, reduction in spots and photo damage, and improved skin glow. The instrument data confirmed 46% higher skin hydration in the forehead and 33% higher hydration in the cheek area. Finally, here's a photo of a 36-year-old female subject where we can visually see reduction in spots on day 90. In conclusion, we've seen improvement in various anti-aging parameters along with improvement in skin complexion as measured by color values, which are called LAB values. The clinical data measurements agreed with dermatological assessments on various skin attributes and also agreed with the subject self-assessment, which is also equally important. While individual results may vary from person to person, the clinical trials have shown and demonstrated comprehensive improvement in anti-aging benefits and parameters. Thank you.